Alright. Who the fuck is Jack Michelson? See that guy walking on the hay bales? That's a good guy. He's a real straight shooter. There's a bitch right there.
Alright, face away for 10 seconds.
What?
Face that way.
No cheating. Horse stick that in, Peg. Okay, go.
Go, Andy. Oh, wait, I'm supposed to go over there?
Hey, you gotta go find him.
Trevor, tell me when she's coming.
She's fucking retarded, but alright.
Oh,
No, I
God.
mean, tell me when she's coming.
Andy, you're freaking stupid.
Hey, Andy, she's coming.
What, this is like checkers now?
Checkers.
Supposed to make it exciting. We're videotaping this.
I'm gonna stuff it first.
Don't be a puss.
I didn't get that. I was videotaping my eye. Did you get the fuck back over there, Jack Michelson? Yeah,
Who the fuck is Jack Michelson?
that guy.
I'm not that stupid.
And then you're
You're
gonna go,
recording?
hold on, yeah.
Oh.
Alright, you're gonna hold it over. And you're gonna put it on there. Oh,
You know it's a recording and they can hear everything you say, right?
yes. Hello.
There's that in your eyes, too.
I wouldn't do it.
Who the fuck is Jack Michelson?